about your teacher and her credentials, and my personal paranormal mediumship experiences and teaching hello loves. My name is Jennifer, and I am your accredited certified practitioner teacher for this course and all the courses that I make. One of my credentials under the website worldmetaphysicalassociation.com, sometimes found under WMA, my name on their website to be found is under my website name. enchantinglovecreations.com, so you can verify my international registered metaphysician and accredited certifications through them. The certifications pictures are my accredited certified certificates through each company's website. This verifies my teaching as accredited and certified through WMA as a Metaphysician 3, so it provides the validity of my teachings in the courses that I make. My other certifications and memberships are listed below. The picture with the logos I created shows most of the certified services I provide, as well as some for my teachings. Quick about me and how this course can be beneficial for you. I was born here in America, and grew into hopefully what I was meant to be and do. It does feel so anyhow. There is always room to learn and enhance and grow more, as we are all students and teachers together loves. 3. I was born with my abilities and have taken courses and trained and practiced as well from my own personal experiences and sharing with others' personal experiences as we were learning together. 3. I decided it was time to get certified with all that I was learning and growing into. Plus, more certifications for me are to come. I'm working on them now as I'm working on these courses. So from birth, I've always had experiences with the paranormal, then led to inner and outer peace, universal and other aspects. After getting a few certifications, I got brave and bold and knew, okay, it was time to teach and share. Took some time to get there, but I started seeking credible courses and credible certifications for my teachings, including help with guidance from my guides during this process of creating my courses and personal experiences to get a better understanding from personal growth of how I can also help others and work with others seeking a similar path. Some more of my credentials, which are WMA, IPHM, IEHA, IAOTH. I am a certified training provider member on their websites for metaphysics and healing modalities, which is for all the courses I teach, for you to get theirs to teach with their logos and certifications and to be part of their memberships. You will go through the same process as I did. Some also include their own insurance to purchase separately. However, since I am accredited, and you will either sign in some way my teaching code of ethics and code of conduct, I'm sure there might be more. To legally have you teaching too, I will have a section coming up based on this with more explanation. On the written portion on the lesson, you will see my certifications there and the websites to access my information on them, to verify my credibility,